dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
This is Amano Boarding and Day School online classes. This is Teacher Moses, grade 6 English teacher. Today we are going to have we are going to revise for the final exam. Remember, there is the final exam that will see you through, move to the next grade 7. So you need to work hard and revise smartly for you to be able to pass this exam. So in this video I'm going to help you go through all the topics that you need to revise for the exam. These are the topics in which we have learned this year and the topics in which I have set the exams from. Okay, the first one is reading comprehension. There is always reading, so make sure that you read the topic. You know the exam how it is. The first part is always reading. Make sure you read carefully and get answers from the passage. Don't guess. Make sure that you get every answer from the passage. Then we have parts of speech. Yes, there is always questions on parts of speech, of which I will just mention. You'll see the parts of speech, maybe the areas that I have set on parts of speech. You will see them as we continue. For example, number 3, there will be a question on compound nouns. Example, policeman. Compound nouns are nouns that are formed by joining two words. For example, policeman, ice cream. Okay, the comma in phrases. Good. Comma in phrases. All these questions are in your notes and you need to just revise. Comma in phrases. For example, Moses, comma, our English teacher, then you put comma there, is Kenyan. Okay, we have learned that how to use comma in phrases. So if you check those words, they are used just to explain who Teacher Moses is. We could simply say Moses is Kenyan, but we choose to add a phrase using 2 commas, our English teacher, to explain more. Okay, so make sure you check on that. There will be questions on that. Plural of words that we have already learned. For example, lorry, lorries, toy, toys, family, families. Okay, those are plurals. One and many. The apostrophe to show possession. We use the apostrophe sometimes to show that something belongs to someone. For example, Peter's desk. Peter's desk. So that apostrophe there is used before letter S to show that the desk belongs to Peter. So you've done that. Revise more on that. Passive voice. Yes, we have done passive voice. I'll just give you an example, though you will check on your notes. For example, he ate all the food, or he rode a bicycle. So the passive for this is a bicycle was ridden. A bicycle was ridden. So I'm just giving you a simple example so that at least you will remember, and as you revise, as you go to the notes, you will find this. So there will be questions about passive voice. The next one is double consonants, or example, clap, clapped. Okay, clapping. You double the last consonant. You see it has been doubled. 1P, double P. Using why, where, and what as questions. Why are you standing? Where are you going? What have you done? Okay, make sure you check on that. So you also need to learn about abbreviations. Abbreviations, which we have done. For example, the short form Dr. Dr. Okay, street. Okay, like that. That's short form abbreviations. Using lucky, unlucky, certain, likely, and unlikely. There will be questions for that. We did this just the other day, not a few weeks ago, not very many weeks ago. We just did this, and you just need to check on your notes and the videos we have been learning. The apostrophe in short forms. Using the apostrophe to shorten words. For example, don't. You use the apostrophe there to shorten the word don't. Instead of writing do not, you write don't. Either or, okay? You are either a boy or a girl. You're either a boy or a girl. And then we can say a chair is neither a boy nor a girl. Neither nor. Again, this is something we've done not long ago. Make sure that you revise on that. Use of question tags, adding question tags. For example, he is my brother. He's my brother, so you add question tag. For example, this is isn't he. So check in your notes on the rules on how to use question tags, because we've done this before, and there are so many examples. Check the rules and you'll find the questions. You'll find questions in the coming exam. Then you must also revise on use of must and should. Use of must and should. These are modal verbs. This is for like a must for you to do something. Then should is like a choice, okay? Or when you give advice to someone, you should work very hard, for example. And then must is you must apologize. You've done something very wrong to this old woman. So those you will check also in the notes and check the examples there. Then lastly, we have use of punctuations. That is use of the full stop, the comma, the question mark, the apostrophe, okay? So make sure that, and the capital letter, where should you use the capital letter and where should you use the full stop and the comma, the question mark and the apostrophe, and how and where should you fix them in a sentence. So make sure that you revise all that, and it is going to be well with you. You will pass very well in this exam. So just be prepared. You have done exams before, and I'm very sure that you're going to pass. So I wish you very well and goodbye.